I'm John, your teacher. This is TOEFL Vocabulary Practice, Part 2. Exercise 1. Climate change has sparked a revolution in the automobile industry. Surging in popularity are electric cars, leading major cities to explore ways to expand charging infrastructure. The reason behind this surge is the increased awareness of environmental benefits and significant advancements in battery technology. The word surge is most similar in meaning to increase, decrease, balance, event. That's right, it's A, increase. Exercise 2. In the era of technology, computer-based models have become an essential tool in many fields. These models offer valuable insights, yet they can also undermine the intricacy of real-life scenarios. To ensure their reliability, it's crucial to continually refine and test these models against actual data. The word undermine is most similar in meaning to reinforce, weaken, bolster, submerge. That's right, it's B, weaken. Exercise 3. Higher education has become more competitive than ever before. This makes the application process to university a daunting task for many students. Despite the challenges of paperwork, deadlines, and pressure, there are resources and strategies available to help navigate the process. The word daunting is most similar in meaning to intimidating, straightforward, complicated, simple. That's right, it's A, intimidating. Exercise 4. Adapting to unexpected changes is a vital aspect of space exploration. During a space mission, the astronauts' quick thinking and innovative solutions saved the mission from a catastrophic failure. This was a testament to their ingenuity. The word ingenuity is most similar in meaning to inability, stupidity, brilliance, forgetfulness. That's right, it's C, brilliance. Exercise 5. Scientific innovation often challenges conventional wisdom. The scientist's work was initially obscure and not well understood. Over time, and after several presentations and publications, her innovative research has gained recognition and respect within the scientific community. The word obscure is most similar in meaning to familiar, clear, surprising, ambiguous. That's right, it's D, ambiguous. Exercise 6. Economic instability has influenced consumer behavior worldwide. In the face of an economic downturn, being frugal has become a prevalent trend as people aim to weather the financial storm by buying only necessary items and avoiding luxuries. The word frugal is most similar in meaning to wasteful, prodigal, careful, extravagant. That's right, it's C, careful. Exercise 7. Leadership styles can profoundly impact a company's culture. The CEO of this company, known for his insatiable curiosity, constantly seeks new knowledge and encourages his team to innovate. This approach has fostered a culture of continuous learning and improvement. The word insatiable is most similar in meaning to satisfied, content, urgent, admirable. That's right, it's C, urgent. Exercise 8. Research and development often involve thinking outside the box. The researchers discovered a novel approach to solving the problem, which had previously stumped experts in the field. Their unique and innovative solution opened up new avenues of research and development. The word novel is most similar in meaning to old, new, typical, routine. That's right, it's B, new. Exercise 9. Alex was always known for his meticulous nature. From the way he arranged his desk to how he drafted his reports, everything was done with great attention to detail. This quality served him well in his profession as a quality control inspector, where precision is a critical component of the job. The word meticulous is most similar in meaning to curious, sloppy, reckless, thorough. That's right, it's D, thorough. Exercise 10. Despite her initial reluctance, the athlete decided to join the national team. Although she was apprehensive about the additional responsibilities, she realized that the opportunity was too important to pass up. The word reluctance is most similar in meaning to hesitance, willingness, eagerness, boredom. That's right, it's A, hesitance. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.